This is TWiT. All right, Paul, you got a little gift for your birthday, I think.
It's true, I did.
I'm so jealous. You don't
Unbeknownst to you, but beknownst to me.
Yeah. Yeah.
I've been sitting on a couple of Xboxes.
Oh!
Which you can see.
I see it behind you. I thought it was just a dummy, a replica, a fake.
No, those are real. The dummy's here. The problem is I can't really discuss any of it yet, except for the unboxing bit. And so, there's this kind of a schedule for when we can reveal things. I don't think I can reveal the schedule other than to say that today Microsoft is allowing reviewers to show the unboxing experience. So I did a...
When does it come out?
November 8th or 11th. I should know that, but now I don't care because I already have one.
Yeah, but it's like it's a little more than a week off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, yours has a ding on the corner.
The 10. This is the box, yeah. November 10th.
November 10th, okay. And it says, power your dreams. Wow.
Yeah, so the funny thing, not funny, but what's weird about this, in both cases, the Xbox One S is tiny. The Xbox One X is not humongous. It's just normal size, I guess. It's kind of a
Series
unique
X
shape
right here, right?
But there's really not much going on in the box. Like the console's there. There's a cable to power, the power cable. There's no brick. There's a nice HDMI cable as a controller and batteries for the controller, and that's pretty much it. There's not much else going on.
Well, there's much to it. That's the whole point of a console. You plug it in and it goes.
That's right.
Well, they give you an Ethernet?
I see, Leo, I don't know if that's true because I can only talk about the unboxing.
You can't actually, you can't plug it in or you can't say that you've plugged it in.
Exactly.
Okay.
I think you can.
I can read between the lines. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good, though. Now, I presume you're not going to get to keep this one, so you're still in the market to buy one, I presume, but...
Yeah, I don't know. If they ask for it back, they can have it back.
They better beg. They better beg. Because all my Call of Duty saved games are on here. Cold War, here I come. There's the on-off switch. There's
this is just like the Duo, right? You can show it, but you can't show it on.
You can't say anything, yeah.
That's exactly, they learned from those guys. That's the button used to connect to the controller.
The pairing button.
Although, by the way, the controllers... actually, who can say?
Almost came so close, and he didn't blow it, ladies and gentlemen. He's holding his tongue. That's good. Here's pictures of the back. Storage expansion.
Yep.
Yeah, there's an Ethernet port, a couple of USB, I'm going to presume 3.1 ports. And there's also a USB port right beneath the pairing switch.
Right. It's very similar to the Xbox One X, by the way. So the same thing. They had that button and a USB port in the front, for convenience sake, if you want to plug in the control.
So you could plug in up to 4, 5 controllers, something like that. I like how it looks, actually. I think I like the design.
I do too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's handsome.
You're showing it. Is that showing it next to a PlayStation? What is that?
No, that's the Xbox One X.
Oh, that's the One X. Oh, okay. But I'm not going to get well, maybe I will get the One X. I don't know. I'll get whatever I can get. I have a One X. So it is bigger, probably for cooling, although Paul will never tell.
I'm sure it's for cooling.
Yeah. Yeah. It's got a nice big tower.
Reasonable.
Yeah.
The funny thing about the top of it is it's kind of curved, and if you looked at it the wrong way, you might think like it warped or something. But that's the design.
That's to make it comfortable for cats.
Yes, exactly.
Just fits a cat butt perfectly.
Yep.
Okay, there's the unboxing. Wow, that was exciting. And you unboxed that, of course, on First Ring Daily.
Yes, we did. Yeah. So the S is considerably smaller than the X. And it has a white controller, so it's completely different.
Okay.
Sounds very different.
Yeah.
It is. It's very different. I would say the Xbox Series S is what I will call Mary Jo Foley apartment sized. Yeah. And would look very natural.
I want the big one.